during my time as a design engineer in TTSP, Tunisia Technical Services Philippines. And I still remember Sister Pia, RGS, no, who taught me how to read ang maps. Stricta kay to Sister Pia, no? I couldn't forget, no? She told me how to pronounce Ezekiel. It's not just Ezekiel, Ezekiel. Thinking Madrina, but she's so good. But anyway, additionally, my charismatic community often gathered in this church for our weekly prayer meetings. So here I was praising and worshiping God. And so when the official announcement was made on December 2, 2024, I shared the good news with my family and friends. I received many congratulatory messages, well wishes, and offers of prayer and support. So brothers and sisters, please allow me to say thank you to the many people who helped me reach this moment. First, to our General, Father Arturo Sosa of the Society of Jesus, and to our Provincial, Father Xavier Ulin, for accepting me fully in the Society. Also to my previous Provincials, the late Father Archie Intengan of the Society of Jesus, who accepted me to the division. We, together with my batchmate, we were the last batch that he accepted. Kaya na ako natanggap kasi may promo. Si Father Archie. We were 13 in the batch that he had accepted. No? So, kung walang promo, baka hindi ako natanggap. And then Father Danny Wong, Father Jojo Magadia, Father Tony Moreno, who missioned me to Lebanon, and Father Jun Viray, who sent me to Scotland for my studies. To all my provincials for their care, friendship, and guidance, thank you so much. And I'm grateful also to the Jesuit community in Cebu, headed by Father Nono Nevosada as superior, and to the parish priest of Sacred Heart, Father Cesar Marin, for allowing me to use this beautiful church for this occasion. Also, I am most grateful to my novice master and my tertian master, Father Mon Bautista of the Society of Jesus, for that beautiful homily, Father Mon. Thank you. Pamakin na po mura kong ikurunahan ni Father Mon. Pero salamat, daghang salamat, Father Mon. Thank you for agreeing to preach here tonight. I know how busy you are, yet you accepted my invitation. I'm forever grateful, Father Mon. And I would like to thank my family and friends for all the love and support to my vocation. To Mama Dela, thank you for being the inatay, no? Both nanay o tatay sa atong pamilya, mother and father, who worked tirelessly to send all 5 of us to college. Your unwavering support and dedication have made a significant impact on our lives, and we would not be where we are today without your hard work. You have truly made God's love tangible through your selfless acts of service to us, your children. We are forever indebted to you. I love you so much. To Tia Sinin, thank you for teaching us the values of hard work and perseverance. Our 1-year long stay at Bukid, no, sa Liguan,